This video introduces a process of preparing a DMEK graft in a double scroll configuration. As seen in the video, unfolding DMEK graft is one of the most challenging steps of the surgery. A graft is very fragile. It forms a scroll with the endothelium facing outward, which makes it difficult to orient correctly in an anterior chamber. This challenge is greater with younger donors, as their grafts tend to form a tighter single scroll, which complicates the unfolding procedure. As we can see in these videos, when a DMEK graft is inserted into the chamber as double scroll configuration, it is easy to unfold while maintaining correct orientation and centration. Simple corneal tapping with a cannula sends shock waves through the aqueous humor to the scrolls on both sides, which facilitates unfolding the scrolls quickly and accurately. By preparing a graft in double scroll configuration with proper orientation during insertion, unfolding becomes far more straightforward. While one cannula gently presses the center cornea to stabilize the graft, the other cannula taps from the opposite side, spreading evenly the graft. In an upcoming video, we will demonstrate how to create a double scroll in various scenarios, during donor preparation inside a glass tube and outside a glass tube. Let me first explain how to make a double scroll during a donor preparation. The double scroll preparation begins by carefully peeling and punching the descemetous membrane in a correct size. As shown in this video, after marking the orientation, the graft floats in BSS, and it naturally forms a single scroll configuration with the endothelium facing outward. We remove BSS using the two Marocell sponges to remove a small amount of BSS behind, thereby causing the graft to shrink slightly. Then, by carefully injecting the controlled burst of BSS into the scroll, the graft opened and rolled back into a double scroll configuration. In this video, we followed a similar procedure to remain a small amount of BSS, followed by a syringe insertion inside the scroll and BSS injection. As a result, the graft transformed into double scroll and the stained graft is loaded into a glass tube, ready for use. In this section, I will demonstrate how to form a double scroll inside the inserter. As shown in this video, the DMEK graft is often preloaded as a single scroll configuration inside a tube. To change it into a double scroll, a fluid column maneuver can be used. By flushing the fluid forward and backward, the graft gradually opens and refolds symmetrically into a double scroll. In this video, we can see the same method again. The controlled forward and backward flushing helps the graft unfold and then refold into the double scroll incidentally. However, excessive fluid flushing can lead to a significant endothelial cell loss. Therefore, when the fluid column maneuver is not effective, other methods are tried. In this case, the DMEK graft was from young donor, whose graft formed a tight scroll, making it difficult to unfold with fluid column maneuver. So we tried a double cannula maneuver, which is recently reported by Ho-Ship Hwang. We first float the preloaded graft back into the Petri dish containing BSS. By positioning cannulae inside the scroll from either side, we carefully and evenly unfold the graft without touching the endothelial cells. While this reduces the risk of endothelial cell damage, this also helps the graft form a well-structured double scroll, making it easier to handle during surgery. Let me recap some key points of this presentation. Unfolding the donor graft is one of the most challenging steps in DMEK, especially with younger donor corneas. However, by preparing the graft in a double scroll configuration, we can simplify this process. Minimizing manipulation is crucial in reducing the risk of endothelial cell loss and ensuring a successful outcome. By utilizing these techniques, we can make the surgery smoother and more efficient, ultimately leading to better results for our patients.